We're going to work on it. Free? Alright. He thinks that I'm going to buy something if he gives it to me for free, but he doesn't know who I am. Oh. Shukriya bhai. Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Cheto asti bhai sahab.
Khub asti bakhair. Test this. Your mom?
Is free? Yes, it's my mum.
Come on, it's free. It's for you.
Thank you, brother. This is a good thing about being a YouTuber when you come to Old Dubai.
Yeah, treat.
Oh, wow. What's this?
This is dates with almond, with chocolate, with biscuit. Try. I love that. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. I seen all your video when you been to Afghanistan.
I love Afghanistan.
Yes, good.
Wow.
Clean everything. It's
This
really
is
nice.
Afghani or?
No, this made here.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Like a
made.
biscuit.
They have biscuit cover in almond with dates, you know. Like.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice.
Now I know why you give it for free, because you know we're going to get some more.
And you know what is the white one?
Oh, we already got some?
Yes, it's good to clean sinuses for flu, headache, for
got some.
I give some of this mix. You like?
Okay. Wow.
Mix.
You're a good salesman.
No, I'm not selling. I just giving.
No,
you.
no, no, I will pay. Everyone wants to give it for free.
Good for you, good flavor.
I'm going to get over this, Harry.
And if you like something from here, I can give you.
No, let me
you don't
pay.
have to pay. I give you something.
No,
if
no,
you like.
I want to
Really,
pay.
just present for you. No.
This is the Afghani hospitality. Please, I want to pay.
No, don't pay. I have some perfume for your mom.
I've just bought a little perfume actually.
Take this.
No, bro. Please. This for you.
Wow.
I give good perfume for you and for your mom.
If you take
I am.
Is this your...
Yeah, it's mine. Yes. And this one?
Yeah,
Okay, for you.
I don't think he'd be able to give free stuff if it wasn't his shop.
Well, no.
Yes.
Aapka naam?
My name Hakim.
Hakim.
Yes.
Hmm.
I speak Pashto in Afghanistan.
څنګه
څنګه?
where are you from in Afghanistan?
In Afghanistan.
Kandahar?
No, we live in Kabul, but we're from Paktika. You not been to Paktika?
No, not
Yeah,
yet.
there's also nice mountains, nice.
Ah, okay. What's the name of your shop, brother?
My shop name Adil Trading. My name is Hakim from Afghanistan.
Okay.
Thank you. This
Manana,
for you,
brother.
okay?
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. That's very kind. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Good, thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Bye.